Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to record in your iPhone screen and to use that video recording in ClipChamp for mobile, so you can use your own music, so you can access the video music footage from YouTube or any other area you want, YouTube Studio. So if you go up to the link up above, if you don't know a lot about ClipChamp, how to add photos, videos, there's a link up there to my video. There's also a link at the end. So all you do is you go up to the top of your iPhone screen and pull down, and then just tap where the arrow's pointing. And when you finish recording, just go up to the top, pull down again, and then tap on the button to stop. In this part of the video I'm going to explain to you how you add the music first, then add an overlay. So first of all, you select from your media the music, just add it like an ordinary clip, and then you add the overlay, which is the video your viewer is going to see. So you add that on top as an overlay. So once you've added your overlay, which we're going to come to, down on the bottom menu screen you're going to see it come up. You just added that, you've selected it, you can play around with it, you can move it, the overlay, you can cut and trim, split the actual video clip or the overlay clip. So I'm just going to move it along and split trim the video. And move along the menu bar to delete. The next part of the video is important. So as you can hear, we've got some background noise which we need to address. We need to address this. So we tap on the clip we want to reduce the volume on, scroll along to the volume and reduce the volume. Here we can see the sedate music playing. We can turn it up if we want. Turn the volume up. You can add fades to the music if you want on the beginning, at the end. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Check out the full ClipChamp tutorial at the end.